gently, like that.
Oh.
And if you put it at the edges first,
It'll be like a flower.
I'll turn the bowl around, so you just have to put it there. That's it. Now another one.
Oopsie.
I knew you'd like glitter jelly, that's why I thought I'd make it. There you go, put it in there then.
How did you make
Big
glitter
spoonfuls,
jelly?
or we'll be all day.
Tiny.
Jelly's easy. Hot water and jelly crystals. Do you want me to finish it?
Please, my
Oh.
arm's hurting.
Oh, really? Your arm's hurting and you've only done a little bit.
I haven't done
Like
just
that now,
a
because you've
little
done it
bit.
all, now we can do that.
What? You spread it?
Yeah, but you have to do it gently when you spread it, so you don't pop the jelly out underneath. Smooth it all out for the custard, that's it. Is it level? Is it all flat and level? No.
I want to make it like a cake.
That's it, just like that. And then do you know what the next bit to do? Mmm, yummy custard.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Good? Milky?
Yep.
Delicious custard.
I want to have a sparkly jelly.
You can later.
Mm.
Maybe tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Delicious. Custard is the
That's
best.
enough.
Thank you. Yummy.
Can I just What?
How many people do we have?
I love that triangle one!
How many people do we have?
5.
5? So how many of these do we need?
5?
Oh, do you know? Let's see how many there is. Slice it. Cut it. I wish you did live next. Many breakfasts will have Lincolnshire sausage in this area. Lots and lots of them will just have Lincolnshire sausage. If you go further north, they will have Cumberland sausage. Because it looks like a head and a neck, a mushroom, doesn't it?
Yeah. But when you cut it...
Is English a language that's taught a lot in Japan? Sorry, I've got to move my hair, it feels awful. It just feels all squashed and flat in my head. Alright, that's it. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Is it too hot? No, I turned it down. Oh, shut the lid. Oh!
What?
Smoke alarm. Why? What's burning? What smells like it's... Wow. Something smells like it's really burning, but I don't know what. I don't know. Nothing that's really going mad now.
So I've got red sauce and brown sauce on plate. On the
Okay.
table, sorry.
Yep.
And mustard. So I'm going to grind back tomato sauce and mustard together.
Okay. thank you, no thank you. Okay, that's fine.
Because the onions will have a mushroom taste.
No, they don't. It's the other way
It's the other way
round.
round. The mushrooms will take on the onion taste. Too sorry, bro. Too sorry, bro. Is the butter and the knife want to go on the on the table?
Yes, please.
Oh.
Oh, slide off the plate.
Toast, you need the toast, don't you?
Oh yeah, it's in the microwave. Who's that one? Careful. Karoo. I will, but I've got mine right here.
Okay, okay, chew it. No, butter
Yes,
out.
please. Thank you.
Does that make sense, or do you want to do it?
I do. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
I put some ketchup and mustard on the toast.
Did you? Wow. That's good then.
Lots of protein.
So, again.
Beans are good for your heart. The more you eat,
The more you
Trump.
fart. It rhymes, doesn't it?
the more you fart, the better you feel. Beans at every meal. I don't know who made that naughty rhyme up, but it's funny. But beans are lovely.
They're not. They're not. All of you were drunk.
Yeah.
Except for me.
You should have had beans, then you would trump, and then you would trump too. And
Yeah.
smell us all out. Much pepper, but I love Cumberland sausage. Crazy.
Wow.
That's it.
Oh my. Look at them layers.
Look at those layers. It's like that.
Mmm.
Oishi.
Glitter jelly. Sprinkles on the top.
You can't really see the glitter anymore.
No, not much, can you?
I will help. I will help.
I was going to put more lights on so we can see the glitter.
Been much on it. to be honest.
The pink one,
It's
please.
inside the jelly though.
Okay.
Glittery bits inside. Oh, I can see a sparkle a little bit. It's a little, looks a bit shinier than regular jelly. When you go like that, look, and just move your spoon a little bit, it's a bit sparklier than normal jelly.
Yeah.
Can't see
Yeah.
it now.